Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is just a short clip of a dump truck that I seen caught the power lines this morning while driving through Marshfield. Didn't really want to put it in a full video, so I ended up just making a short clip of this. Sorry the video is the wrong way. Didn't have much time to record it and get it up, and I'm used to recording on Snapchat, so the camera is tilted the wrong way and I use my phone, so hope that isn't too big of a deal. But like, comment, subscribe. Check out our Instagram at Full Boost Garage 2019. Also got a Facebook page, Full Boost Garage. Go check that all out, and hope you guys enjoy. Later. Somebody severely fucked up. Took down a bunch of power lines. Yeah, that's a major fuck up. You're probably fired, but I'm sorry.
Easy.